Hello everyone, good morning. Today I will discuss the function of language.
My name is Debasish Roy, first semester, roll number 11, B.Ed. Today I will discuss the topic functions of language. At first, I will introduction the language. Language is the medium of communication. According to Sapir, language is a purely human and non-instinctive method of communicating ideas, emotions, and desires by means of a system of voluntarily produced symbols. Then I will discuss the functions of language. While speaking on the functions of language, Savignon says the use to which language is put, the purpose of an utterance rather than particular grammatical form an utterance takes. Traditionally, linguistics discuss about three overlapping functions of language. Number one, cognitive function, the expression of ideas, concepts, and thoughts. Number two, evaluative function, conveying attitudes, values, etc. Number three, affective function, transmitting emotions and feelings. Some linguistics also describe language as having the following three functions. Number one, descriptive function, convey factual information which can be stated or denied or even tested. Number two, expressive function, establish and maintain social relation about the speaker. And number three, social function, establish and maintain social relation between people. Then I will discuss the functions of language according to David Crystal, a British linguist. David Crystal, a noted British linguist, has mentioned the following functions of language. Number one, communicating ideas. Whenever we interact with people to learn and transact information, either in oral or written form. Written form is like letter or anything. We use language as a means of communication. Number two, emotional expression. Expressing our fear, anger, emotion, and wonder. Like wow, oh, ouch. Number three, social interaction. Interact with different people in social setting for maintaining a comfortable relationship. It is good for our communication skill also. Number four, control of reality. A function of language is to control matter or the reality which the matter is supposed to represent. Recording of fact. Language is to store information for future generation. It is very helpful for our future generation to learn our functions of language and how we interact with people. Number six, expression of identity. Language has an important role in fostering a sense of identity to the language user. Bengalis are identified only by the use of the language Bengali. Like this, Gujaratis are also be described by the language Gujarati. Function of language according to Halliday. Halliday's functional theory of language contains three parts: editional, interpersonal, textual. Number one, editional. It has three separate parts. Number one, experiential, B, logical, C, informational. Number two, interpersonal. It has also two separate parts. Number one, interactional, B, attitudinal. And number three, textual. It contains only one separate part. Number one, thematic. Development functions of language. Number one, instrumental function. It is used for satisfying material needs. Number two, regulatory function. It is used for controlling the behavior of others. Number three, interactional function. It is used for getting along with other people. Number four, personal function. It is used for identifying and expressing the self. Number five, heuristic function. It is used for exploring the world around and inside. Number six, imaginative function. It is used for creating a world of one's own. At last, the conclusion. We know that the main function of language is to help in communicating ideas from one source to another. In other words, It is a means of communication. A language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by which members of a social group cooperate and interact. Said by E.S. Starvant. Thank you.